Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So today we are going to understand the most important thing, virtual environment for Python. So let's start with the practical 1 minute. So if you are using Python on Windows and you are not using virtual environment, then sooner or later your Python projects will break. And the worst part is you won't even know why. I just want to ask some question. Have you ever installed a Python package for one project and suddenly another project stopped working? Tell me. Or you run the same code on the another laptop and it is failed? This happens because of global Python installation. So today I will show you how professional solves this problem on Windows. So this is the series of Python 30 days 30 minute. So let's start. And today's videos you will learn why virtual environment are important on Windows, how to create a virtual environment using CMD, how to activate and verify it, and how to install package safely, and how to export requirement like real DevOps project. We already installed pyenv in our Windows. So today we will practice it, practical things only. And this video is for beginners also, for testers also, for DevOps engineer also, anyone working on Windows with Python. So this video is for them. So let's take a real world example. Assume that you are building an AWS automation project using Python Boto 3, and you don't want the Boto 3 to affect other Python projects on the same system. So that's where virtual environment come into the picture. So now let me switch to my screen here and I will show you how to do this from the scratch. And I'll explain every command in a very simple way. So this is my CMD. If you are practicing with me, you can also open your CMD command prompt in your Windows laptop. And 1 minute. Okay. See, here first we have to go to inside our project. So 1 minute. Yeah. Now where are we? Okay, PWD is not working. Sorry, I'm habitual on what we can say Windows, so Linux. That's why I'm doing. So let's go inside our project folder. So CD projects. Nothing is there. 1 minute. Let me do one thing. Before going to the projects, I will explain something easily. So first we will create a virtual environment. Okay, how to create? Okay, all this thing will not work. So Python -m v env space dot venv. If you'll click on it, you can see one version by typing that Python global, Python local. Okay, so what is the meaning of Python? This Python means current version -m to VNB. What it means? It means Python built-in virtual environment tool, and .venv it means folder name of the virtual environment. So what it will do, this command, it will create Python executable, pip or side package folder. So Python creates a mini Python installation only for this project. Now activate virtual environment. So we have created the virtual environment. Now let's activate this virtual environment. So how can we activate it? Let me do one thing. Dot. This is not, this is forward slash we will use. Dot forward slash dot venv forward slash sc scripts RIPTS scripts forward slash activate. We are going to activate virtual environment. So on Windows, the CMD, this runs activate.bat internally and path is in the temporary modifier and terminal prompt will change. So this system command find the path specified. Cannot find the path specified. Okay. So it is not able to find the path. Okay, then first let's check where is Python. Where Python? Okay, so this is the path. It is not able to find because in this path it is not there. It is there in some different paths. That's why you are not able to find. If you will run where Python command, you will get this. Now output is .exe. This one. Okay, scripts one. Which one is a scripts one? So now try to install Boto 3. Pip install Boto 3. Typing. Now pip list. I will check pip freeze. Okay, so I think it is having one problem. 1 minute. Python -m. This command we understood. Okay. Now which Python also? We will check the, so we activate it. So let me check how to activate it. 1 minute. Activate for Windows CMD. I think this is the right command only, but let me check. Project it. Okay, let me go to the project. I don't think I. Okay, I think first I have to create the project, but I want to skip it, but let's check. If it will not happen, then I will create it. Otherwise I will try to do with that only. Okay. One second. Yes, friends. So I detect how why it was coming that error, because I did not have created any project on my system. That mistake you people didn't do. So yeah, let me show you from this starting. So first I have done this, and I want to activate it. So when I was trying to activate it, it was showing the system cannot find the path. Then I checked the path and this was the path. And then I tried to install Boto 3. list it, freeze it, but nothing was working because there was some problem. So I first tried to go into the path, so this path was cannot find. So here I concluded that I did not have created the project. So what I did, I created one project. Mkdir means create the folder my project, and I went inside the project my project. After my I into the my project, then again I run this command python -m venv and .venv. That command I already explained. Then I can see pyenv global and pyenv local. Then I check the pyenv version. So it was showing 3.11.7. Then I make this version as a global with the help of command pyenv global 3.11.7. And then I checked the directory. So that volume is in the C drive and volume series number is this. So now I checked that and that it was show the directory of the users where it is. So it was showing 0. So now I thought, okay, why it is not showing? Because we have not activate it after creating the project. So dot I checked the Python version. So it was showing it, we can't recognize it because by mistake I have given here point. So then again I correct my command and Python version I checked, and it was showing 3.11.7. Then it already here I make it as a global pyenv global. Then I make it as a local also pyenv local. If you will do, it will make as a local also. Then I checked again, same thing came. Then I went inside my project. Okay, and here when it was showing inside my project Python version, it was showing Python version. Now again I thought ki let me create the file again inside my project. Then I created the file. Then I went, and then here when I checked, it was showing Python version and venv. That too only we want to create. Okay, so yeah, I have created. One minute, let me understand next. So after creating, I have activated it with the help of this command. Okay, so it was showing some error unexpected at that time. So let me do one thing. I can try to install now pip install boto 3. I am trying. See, Boto 3 is install Boto 3, Boto Core, S3 transfer and JMS path. So install only inside the virtual environment and Python remain will be untouched. Why I am doing this? Here I am installing Boto 3. So it is installing not in my Python, but it is installing inside the project, means inside the virtual environment. So only this projects get Boto 3, no other project will be affected. Now check the installed package. So pip list we can check. Yeah, so it is shows the only from the active one, and it will help in debugging and verification. Okay, sorry guys. Now we can freeze the dependencies. So pip fr double eze, try to freeze it. See, output it is coming Boto 3 1.42 like, and Boto Core and GMS this 3. So it got freezed. Now we have to save this file. So how can, like any CMD whatever the output is coming, how we can save it? Like pip freeze greater than symbol and requirements.txt file mein we can save it. So here only it will get saved. Okay, now why I creates requirement.txt? Because it will used in production, CI/CD pipeline, team collaboration and creating environment. So this file is the exact recipe of your Python environment. Now we can, like, we I have installed this Boto 3 in virtual environment. Now let me deactivate virtual environment. So what I will do, I will just write the command deactivate. Okay, and let me check. Yeah, so it's deactivate virtual environment, and means it will turn off the virtual environment. Now we are inside our project. Now if you want, you can, you know, delete also the virtual environment. 1 minute. Yeah, so up to now, if you guys have any doubt, you just comment in the comment box, or I already have shared my Telegram link, LinkedIn link in my YouTube profile, so you can go and you can directly connect me in Telegram or LinkedIn, and if you have doubt, I will clear the doubt. So for example, I want to delete this virtual environment, then how I will do? So rm means rm means remove, you all know, dir. So for directory rmdir we use /s /q /.venv. So we are going to delete. So what this s will do, this s will delete all the files inside the folder, and this q will be no confirmation. So once rm-rf also you can do, if you will do, it will delete the file. So okay, then we will use rm-rf. One second, instead of rmdir we can use rm-rf. Okay, and this will delete. Okay, but it's not deleting. 1 minute. Inside that python. Okay, let me leave it, and we can create another virtual environment. Okay, then python hyphen m venv dot venv2. Okay, second virtual environment I'm going to create. It is created, no module name. Okay, so why it is showing? Because at one time only one module can be active at a time, and our last one I did not have deleted, that's why we are getting this error. So better to delete that, and then we can install the requirement. So one I have did. Likewise you can create multiple and you can activate and you can deactivate it. So this is how professionals manage project on Windows using virtuals environment. And if this helps you, like the video, subscribe and comment if you want DevOps integration in next video. Thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day.